In the last episode, the Toque finalists headed to Cumbria and learnt about the important partnership between dairy farmers and Nestlé. It was all about understanding sustainable and regenerative farming and the important role of the supply chain. Now, the finalists head to York, and the home of one of the most iconic chocolate bars in the world, KitKat. Created nearly 100 years ago, today the York factory makes over a staggering $1 billion a year. The competitors get kitted up and ready to understand the manufacture process from world-leading experts. This is a unique opportunity for the students to understand precision and what goes into making the perfect chocolate bar.
So the KitKat recipe really hasn't changed for many, many years. For me, the most important thing of the KitKat is, well, the chocolate, but also the wafer. All these angles that you can see on the KitKat, the amount of chocolate on the KitKat, the writing, the depth of the writings, all controlled.
A quick factory tour beckons, and a chance to see the manufacture process close up. But today isn't just about a 5-star factory tour, it's also about understanding the detail that goes into making great confectionery and how that can be interpreted into their own work. Enter Nestlé's very own Willy Wonka himself, senior confectioner John Costello. John helps the competitors understand the complex details surrounding confectionery from bean to bar. After an extensive masterclass, the finalists face today's challenge. Back of house have 3 hours to put their bakery skills to the test.
We've got to make 2 different donuts times 12. We've got to make sure that they're all the same and that they can bring creative flavour along with confectionery brands that we work on, how they pair them together, how they incorporate it, using their experiences as chefs to bring this new challenge alive.
Front of house competitors will need to create a perfect flat white, beautiful milk consistency, so the milk should be textured and velvety. We're also looking for them to create 2 signature drinks. They've got a combination of branded dessert ingredients that they're working with, so hopefully they'll use some of those to enhance the overall flavour and taste profile of their coffee.
And in pairs, can they take their day learnings and bring everything to life for their customers?
The pressure was on a wee bit when we were doing the flat whites, but we got there in the end.
Feeling a little pushed for time, but we'll keep going, we'll get there.
Really impressed by the innovative approach and some of the ideas that are coming through, so different types of bases and the doughs being used, and now looking at the decorations and really combining the flavours and combining those with the drink flavours as well.
The passion they deliver when they do their donuts and drink products, yeah, it's just good to see the young talent coming together.
The competition being in York here makes me personally very proud, and to bring them here in the 35th year to do this challenge is just amazing to see them.
And the pressure certainly is on as guests arrive to judge and sample the finalists' wares and service.
So it's making sure that they are warm and they're bubbly and they're creating a very welcoming space and they're explaining the ingredients, making it a bit of a story and adventure rather than just a cup of coffee.
Ultimately, the winning scores are down to the judges, but for the guests, has the experience lived up to expectation?
Yeah, I really enjoyed it. It was a really good combination. You can't go wrong with donut and coffee, and Raheem was really friendly and really sweet.
The donut and the coffee, they've complemented well together and they've designed that in mind, so really creative and a great experience.
It's another day of unique learning for the Toque finalists.
I really liked my drinks, and the donuts that my chef made were fantastic, so I'm pretty sure everyone enjoyed everything.
I think it's pretty good. I mean, they're drinking it, so I'm happy with that.
I was very panicked halfway through once we started doing the practicing because my original drink idea didn't work out.
Wish I could do it again, really.
It went awfully. I'm embarrassed and ashamed of my performance. My only saving grace is that it will taste somewhat decent and not too sweet.
Next time, the finalists learn what goes into making a sustainable artisan spirit and combining it with a perfect premium ingredient. But can they create a cocktail that will impress the judges? This is no ordinary competition.